In this video, Groom Lake Aviation is going to tear down a motor pod from a 3DR Solo. There are two types of motor pods, a black and a silver. The silver is identified by a silver dot on the top of the shaft, the directional arrow, and a solid white dot on the pod. All three of these markings are visible without removing the pod. Both pods are identical electrically. The only difference electrically is that the red and blue wires are reversed on the silver versus the black pod. Also, mechanically, the shaft at the top of the motor is different for each pod since they spin different directions and the propellers are self-tightening. On the bottom side of the motor pod, you can see three multicolor LEDs, a linear technology 5-volt regulator, along with three international rectifier MOSFET transistors. The top shell is held on by three plastic tabs that have been pushed through the circuit board and then melted into place. Once those three tabs have been removed, the shell comes off and the motor can be removed from the shell by removing the three screws on the bottom. The motor appears to be a Sunny Sky X2216 KV800 motor. And this is the bottom view of the motor. Here it's just being held in place by the shell upside down. The top side of the motor pod circuit board contains a large capacitor, a ferrite bead that the motor wires pass through, an Amtel AT Mega 88 8-bit microcontroller, and three more international rectifier MOSFETs. This is an example of a motor pod that has been burnt out. You can see the damage to one of the MOSFETs. Here we've removed all three of the MOSFETs on this side of the board, as well as all three MOSFETs on the remaining side of the board, in preparation for installing new ones, as is shown here. This has been the teardown of a motor pod for a 3DR Solo. If you want to see more videos like this one, subscribe, like, and share.